Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A07 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. Over there you can see incorrect pin entered. Okay, if we press the volume down and power button together and try to power off the smartphone, as you can see, enter pin to turn off your phone. Okay, let's now follow the instructions. First, connect your Samsung Galaxy A07 5G to the laptop and PC with the help of USB cable. Okay, now I'm going to connect it to my laptop with the help of this USB cable. So simply connect it. So here you can see it is successfully connected. Okay, now press and hold the volume down and power button together until the phone restarted. When the phone screen turn off after a few seconds, 1 2 3 4, release it and press and hold the volume up and power button together. And when this Samsung logo appears, as you can see, release it. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now unplug the USB cable. So here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here you can see, if we go down, here we have wipe data factory reset. Just confirm the wipe data factory reset, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Go to factory data reset and confirm. So as you can see, over there you can see data wipe complete. Okay, now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set, again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Samsung Galaxy A07 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.